In this video, I'll show you how to create a negative keyword list in Google Ads so your campaigns avoid irrelevant searches and use your budget more efficiently. Negative keywords help prevent your ads from appearing on search terms that don't match your products or services, which can reduce wasted clicks and improve targeting. To begin, sign in to your Google Ads account and look at the left menu. Click Tools, then open the Shared Library section. From there, select Exclusion Lists, which is where reusable lists like negative keywords are managed. Next, go to the Negative Keyword Lists tab and click the plus icon to create or add a list. Enter the keywords you want to exclude, usually one term per line, focusing on phrases that indicate low intent, such as free, jobs, or unrelated services depending on your business. It's generally recommended to avoid overly broad exclusions that might block useful traffic. Review and update your negative keyword lists regularly as you learn which search terms are not relevant to your campaigns. Subscribe for more simple and practical Google Ads tutorials.